Why does the author mention tax reforms? Where do we have this reference? It is the second paragraph that makes a reference to tax reform. In the context of the highlighted text, the passage mentions that some of the funding challenges of upper mid-range nonprofits are attributable to the types of funding sources such as 1, 2, 3, 4, all of which are either cyclical or impacted by regulatory changes such as tax reform. So the thought here is that tax reform is a type of regulatory change that affects the funding to upper mid-range nonprofits. So let's look at the answer choices in this context. Answer choice A, increase in government grants. In the context of the highlighted text, government grants is a type of funding source to upper mid-range nonprofits, and tax reforms is mentioned to indicate that this source may get affected. However, the mention of tax reforms is not in the context of government grants as a funding type in particular. So it cannot be established that tax reform will increase government grants. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, cyclical fashion. The passage mentions that the upper mid-range nonprofits. In the context of the highlighted text, the passage mentions that the funding sources of upper mid-range nonprofits are either cyclical or regulatory, such as tax reform. The passage makes no direct reference between cyclical fashion and tax reform. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, they can affect the funding sources of upper mid-range nonprofits. Yes, this is the thought presented in the context of the highlighted text. The passage mentions that the funding sources of upper mid-range nonprofits are either cyclical or regulatory changes such as tax reform. So it is correct to infer that tax reforms can affect the funding sources of upper mid-range nonprofits. This is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice D, tax reforms are impacted by regulatory changes. The passage mentions that tax reforms is a type of regulatory change. It doesn't indicate that tax reforms are impacted by regulatory changes. Also, to make this suggestion is not the purpose of the highlighted text. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, it affects all nonprofits seeking funding. The passage mentions tax reforms in the context of funding to upper mid-range nonprofits. So it is incorrect to say that tax reforms affect all nonprofits, as this answer choice indicates. So this answer choice can be eliminated. C is the correct answer.